I'm installing our Samsung Microfiber Filter. It could not have been easier. I was intimidated, but I shouldn't have been. This box came with a high pressure hose, and this high pressure hose is the one that drains from our LG washing machine. We put it on the in channel. It has some adapters for sizing, but we were able to just slide it on there. Fits really snugly, but then we added this bracket with a Phillips head screwdriver ready to go. Then with the high pressure hose from the box, Samsung, we attached this to the out port. Did the same thing with the clasp or clamp. And then this drains like the other drain did before. Next step is going to be to plug it in. And then we are going to place this probably about halfway up the side of the machine because we have this cupboard above, but we might consider cutting a hole in the base of the cupboard so it can stand atop, and then we can move the machine all the way back so it's flush again with the cupboard. Okay, I'll check in again with the result. Okay, here we are. Microfiber filter installed. We're gonna leave it in this location until a later date. We're gonna run it a few times and then watch for the drain hose and make sure that's sitting pretty and everything's working as it should. Then at a later date, we'll go ahead and cut an opening back here on the shelf and then put that through it, and we'll be sitting pretty. It'll be so nice. And then the LG washing machine can be pushed back and flush like the dryer.